Larissa. How are you? Can you say nasty?
Nasty.
Can you say circle? What else can you say? Can you say poo? Doggy? Puppy?
Puppy.
What else can you say? Quick! Hello. Hello. Goodbye. What does that speak? What happened? Where's your Furby? Where's Furby? Do you love your Furby? Show everybody your Furby. Yeah. He says words too, hey? What does Furby say? You say, happy. Hi. Oh, she's running away. Bye.